Looks like Clayton won't be repairing his cars today. Dude, that's like 30 feet in the air. Oh no! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's gonna be a really fun video today. I'm headed out to play with some RC cars with my friend Clayton, who you may know, as well as a friend of ours named Patrick. Patrick is a really cool guy and he likes to jump his cars and do backflips. I think it's gonna be a blast. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy watching this one. That's it for the intro. Let's go play with some cars. We are at the park now. We got Patrick over there and Clayton. Patrick already broke his car on the first jump. I'll put the clip right here. I brought along the shotgun, which if you saw the other two videos, I absolutely tortured this truck at a skate park and was unsuccessful in breaking it. The only thing that we have broken is like the bearings are a little loose, the wheel wobbles, but other than that, it's just been an absolute animal. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna play and try to break it. We're back? Yeah, back. Nice. Well, I'll say this much, this ain't a 3S beast. We ain't getting jumps like that. I don't think I'll be able to break it off this, to be honest. Sorry, dude.
Those sprinkles never come on, bro. They did that on purpose, dog.
Oh, that might have done me in. I don't want to turn. It's probably broke. It probably just stripped right there. No, I think it just disconnected. Oh yeah, the servo saver snapped. Aw, man. All right, well, it's a wrap for that. All right, I think that we might actually be moving locations right now because the sprinklers came on and made everything wet, so I don't think they want to be here and drive the cars through it. I mean, I don't care because I'm a savagely brutal with my toys. All right, we're on to a different location and Patrick's gonna do a speed test on his Outcast 4S.
All right, so I'm gonna do the speed test with the Outcast 4S. It says it's supposed to go at least, what, 40 something, 50 miles an hour, so we're gonna see what's up.
Oh, well, that didn't go good. All right, well, we've returned to the original spot. That could all been avoided, but you know what? That lady didn't have to make such a scene. She really didn't, and that was just ridiculous. All right, let's get back to what we were doing. Clayton is tearing up the... I don't know how that car survived so much. That's taking a beating. It goes so high I can't even predict it. Uh-oh. Whew. Something happened with Clayton's car. What happened? Strip something or the battery? Yeah, I think so too. Here's your cover. Oh my god. Dude. Woof. Armor tough. Looks like Clayton won't be repairing his cars today. Dude, that's like 30 feet in the air.
That's in wet.
It's nuts.
I'll give you an example on why tracks is the best. Shock just came out, but guess what?
Pop it on. This thing's actually holding up pretty well. Outcast. Doing well, doing well.
Dude, that was sick.
That was pretty cool. Might as well just beat it till it breaks, Clayton. He's got out the Team Corrales Suga now. And Clayton's got his Bandit. Oh no! Can hear a pin drop right now. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Both of them.
Oh.
Ripped through. Look.
Oh. Whew. Where are the pins?
Good question. The pins are in there right here.
Oh wow. A moment of silence for Patrick and his brand new car. That was apparently his second run.
About to do a speed run for you since we requested live action. Completely stock out the box. I just put different tires on there. This is my second attempt at a speed run. The first attempt didn't go so well. My man here is gonna try to get it in action.
Oh man.
Damn. Brand new body.
There's a truck coming.
I'm about to hit it.
He wants to do a speed run down this way with me watching it go by. So we're gonna do that. He just hit 55 on the GPS he has. My GPS is missing, so Clayton and I are gonna have to go return to the car accident scene, see if we can find it. What do you got? 54?
Yep.
So 55 is his max speed. That's pretty
That's
fast.
pretty fast.
It's pretty fast. I had a little bit of PTSD every time I saw one of Patrick's cars coming this way towards these cars. Nice. Beautiful. That's a 10 out of 10. Oh, that's too funny. Uh-oh. Stripped gear. What do we got now?
Probably the dog bone. Yep.
All right, guys, that's it for the video. We had 4 cars break today between the 3 of us, but not so bad. We had a blast. A lot of cool moments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.